Chetan Singh respond to it, because the whole charge that was leveled by the opposition, that in the Riya Chakravarti case, state machinery is being misused, that you're turning this into a witch hunt, all of that comes bouncing back. Now there is no credibility to that charge, because what was done by central agencies in that instance has now been done by the BMC in this instance, and therefore people will say, see, everyone's doing exactly the same. That's the point that Anjali Damania makes.
Absolutely. So, Rahul, you see, like, everything has started from the Riya only and Sushant Singh case. You know, the Sushant Singh case, either it's a murder or suicide or the abetment to suicide, the state police has worked on it, and now CBI is working on it, and CBI works in a very, very calibrated manner, in a very extensive manner. Now, let's come down to this lady, this actor, what she has said today. Look, first, she doesn't have any work in Bollywood. So what she is doing, she is just trying and experimenting her luck in politics, and she's been trying from some time. And now this script, we all know that who may have written this script, and there are possibilities that she may be the star campaigner in Bihar. There is no doubt at all about it. It seems like, she may...
Okay, let China NC respond to that. Your charge is direct, that she is playing out a script being dictated to her by the Bharatiya Janata Party, that this suits your party's interest because you want to show the Maha-Aghadi government in bad light, and you'd like nothing better for this to turn into a Uddhav versus Kangna, because it helps the BJP somehow pull down the Aghadi government. China NC, is Kangna playing, dancing to your tunes?
Absolutely not. Absolutely not, Rahul. We're not interested in petty politics, and least of all in this issue where we've really forgotten what everyone was standing up for. The idea was to find the truth in what happened in the Sushant Singh case. And from there, it's become a tutu meme of one-upmanship. And please remember, the BJP has condemned her statement on POK, but there are ways to debate in a democracy. There are ways to put forth your viewpoint. You cannot go daring and threatening people just because you don't agree. And if at all, the question she's raised, the Mahavikas Aghadi should have actually focused on the answers on the case. Why was there no death timing on the autopsy report? Why was the FIR filed so late? Why was this drug angle not looked at? Why was the Enforcement Directorate case not registered in financial misappropriation? All of that has been completely pushed aside, and it's become a one-upmanship of who's saying what and who's saying worse. And unfortunately, the Shiv Sena has won this spardha or this competition, because what they've said is really below the belt. And I think today is the icing on the cake, because there's so many illegal constructions in Mumbai. You have not done any demolition anywhere else.
That's the point, Vikas. That's the point. Chetan Singh, there are 4,000 plus buildings that have been identified as being illegal. Not just the complaints being received, but after the investigation, it has been accepted that there are 4,000 plus buildings where there is illegal activity at the very minimum. You haven't acted against any of those. This is the only office you wanted to go and act against?
Rahul, you need to understand, the department and the agencies, they work in their own style and their own disciplined manner. So therefore, they are doing their job appropriately. Now, what Shaina has said, let me tell her categorically, they have betrayed the people of Madhya Pradesh. You look at, the Madhya Pradesh people have chosen some other government, and how the government was changed. And now look at Jaipur. What exactly in Rajasthan they have done it. We all know they have not been able to successful. This is the reason the series of attack has been launched on Maharashtra government, Maha-Aghadi government, on Mumbai police through this particular government. So therefore, we all know your intent. Had this been the center rule state, this situation may have not occurred. This lady, actor, Kangna would have
not at all.
In the front. So therefore,
that's the question that China needs to respond to. Clear. No, that when there was a death threat to Deepika Padukone and the Karni Sena was threatening to chop her nose off, nobody gave her Y+ security. She receives some threats from the Shiv Sena. Within 24 hours, the Ministry of Home Affairs gives her Y+ security. She is now marching like a veritable queen. She's got CRPF guards around her. Seems to suggest that she's got protection of the high and the mighty.
Look, Rahul, understand the sequence of events. We are not saying what she said is the gospel truth, and we are not even subscribing to it. But if the Himachal government writes to the Home Ministry saying she's a daughter of our state and she has been threatened, they have threatened to break her jaw, They have
No,
bulldozed.
but
her
the same thing
property
happened in
without
Deepika
giving her a
Padukone's
fair
case.
hearing.
No one seemed to care very much about that, Shaina.